he does. They're coming up to complete the opening lap. Little bit of a slide from Dean Harrison, nice control, foot off the peg. Oh, Michael Dunlop! Massive high side. That's hurt. That has got to have hurt.
Back in position. There they come across there. Oh, and that's
finally
oh,
you get there at Brandish, just outside the top 10 or just fighting for that top 10 spot. 20 is Mark Parrott, behind him is Davy Morgan, the pair of them through. Oh, Parrott's not gone through Ramsey. Mark Parrott, he's in the front garden and he's up and walked away. He's into the tyre bales and
out in front, and he's got about 3 miles to go. We're on board with Gaz Johnson up to on, and he's down. Gary Johnson's gone out of 6th place. That's Guthrie's. We know he's in 3rd position at the moment.
Having a good last lap. He's definitely trying for it.
Wow, but down he goes. So Michael Dunlop's crashed out of 3rd place on the BMW.